All right, everyone. So let's start by skimming and scanning this passage. Now, once you skim and scan this passage, you can see that this passage is about probably like books. That's what I assume. Okay. Books and articles highlighting intractable debt, poverty and development abound in both academic and popular literature. This addition to the debate is both timely and interesting, as it subsumes the economic debate to broader social, political, environmental, and institutional context of debt in developing countries. Debt for development exchanges, history, and new application is dash for a wide audience, including academics from a range of disciplines, including accounting and finance, non-governmental organizations, civil society groups, both debtor, creditor governments, and public sector organization. So let's have a look at this first blank over here. One of the hints that we have is the word is. We usually say like after the word was, were, is, am, are, be or been, what do you need? So if you think about, say, look at this. If you look at words like this, so was, were, is, am, are, be, or been. Ideally, what do you need? After this, if you see a blank, think about it. We've discussed this several times. I want you to think about it for a sec. If you can't come up with an answer, that's not a problem. We will try to look at it now. So it says that is dash for a wide range of audience. So the answer is usually something that ends with ed or verb like ing or verb in the third form. Now I can't say focus, right? We can say designed for. We cannot say submitted for a wide range of audience. So this application, this thing, the book that is there, it's either designed or it's either intended. Now, what is the difference between these two words, right? You need to go with this intended, like it is meant for. Designed is just like, created. So I'll say this is meant for a wide audience because this book has been written with that, with that intent. Professor Ross Buckley, author and editor, has dashed an international profile in this area of debt relief, and in this book is the outcome of the Australian Research Council discovery grant to explore debt development mechanisms that relieve debt. Has dash after the word has, what do you need? Think about it again. Okay, has an international profile. We can't say has progressed because progress means like moving from one level to another. Produced an international profile? No, we don't produce profiles, right? It doesn't sound correct. You can't say captured as well. So I'll say has developed an international profile. Okay. Okay. Now moving forward, that relieve debt, improve development outcomes, dash aid. To aid, no. So how do you improve? You improve by using something. You improve from doing a certain thing. So I'll go with the word from aid. Are practically and politically attractive to creditors and dash to regional security. And dash to regional security. So we can say contributed to, no, we can't say contributed because it's not in the past. We can't put distributing as well. So I'll say contribute. Okay, let's confirm this and let's check what scores do we get. Now in this case, as you can see, all the blanks are correct. Remember, skim and scan, the way you read the question, that itself makes a really big difference. Is it clear? So good luck, everyone.